Hello and welcome, dear students. We have reached the fourth week of September, beginning from 27th of September and ranging till the 1st of October. During this particular week, our priority will be to complete the work that we have left incomplete in the previous week and then continue with the portion of this particular week. We'll continue with the duck and the kangaroo. It was only that independent reading was done earlier. The students have got grasped the main idea, and now we will be discussing it in the class and looking at the poetic devices and the literary devices and the question answers. We are going to appreciate the poem, and then we have got a topic that was brought forward, that is reach on the top. This particular topic is the term 2 portion. Right now our focus will be to complete all the topics that we have for term 1 examination, and if we have time remaining, only then we will begin with reach on top. Listening comprehension, we have the listening comprehension read by the teachers to respond by the students. For vocabulary parade, this is an independent exercise where the students are expected to record the new vocabulary that they come across and then look up in the dictionary, look for the meanings, then look up in the thesaurus, look for synonyms and antonyms, create a word web, and have this vocabulary little builder in their notebook. And whenever you submit the weekly notebook work for the week, this particular exercise is a must to show your language learning. That means vocabulary building. Vocabulary building is never magical. It is that when you look up in the look up for the meaning, you tend to understand the meaning. When you use it in a sentence, you make it as a part of your language, and when you look up for synonyms and antonyms, you tend to use that in a different way in your language. So make sure that you do this vocabulary parade exercise as a part of your language building. For grammar, we have conquered, that is subject word agreement. This continues. We have completed a few basic rules only, and this video is already uploaded with 20 rules. We are going to continue the subject verb agreement with additional rules. For determiners, we have already initiated our exercise. Towards the end of that video, we have 10 exercises. We have attempted only exercise 1. We are going to continue and attempt a few more exercises during the week as a practice, and these two topics are included in your term 1 examination. So make sure that you have a perfect understanding of conquered, that is subject verb agreement, and determiners. Then we have this completion of notebook and assessment. This is the focus this particular week, because completion of work and notebook, it is marked as per the CBSE rule. It is out of 5 marks, and if your book is up to date, that means you have your index, you have your topic, double line heading, date, and you got learning objectives complete. You've got your KWL, what I know, what I want to know, what I have learned, and then you have done your note taking, and after that your question answers exercise. At the end, your DIRT, that is dedicated improvement of learning targets. The video for this notebook maintenance is already uploaded. Kindly revisit that, go through it, follow the guidelines, because your notebooks are being marked this particular week. So ensure that you follow all the rules given over there so that you score full 5 on 5. Then research on literature. This is with reflection with relation to your project that is already given. Kindly find out more about the literature that is coming out with regard to COVID-19. And then from your learning support, that is the supplementary reader, you have the last leaf. Begin reading this last leaf as an independent reading, and then we'll have a classroom discussion with the relation to plot, character sketch, and the perspective of the various characters in the story, and personal perspective. Personal perspective is recorded with I think, I feel, and I believe. The project reflections on pandemic, it continues. The three submissions are already over. This week we are going to work on the fourth submission and fourth recording, and this is an independent this is a collaborative work which is done by the students outside in collaboration with students of other schools at national level or international level. It can be also with relation to in collaboration to with family members, cousins, and family other members in the family. Coming to the subtopics, speaking and listening assessments, how will that be conducted? Students will be expected to share their research on the pandemic, and other classmates will be posing one question, and the person who is speaking is expected to respond to the question, and the student will be marked on their language, content, fluency, and ability to respond to the questions. The project on pandemic is essential to be completed and submitted, and then additional research work that is required of the students, that should also be done. Completion of notebook and assessments, I have already discussed in detail. The video is already uploaded with the name of notebook maintenance. Kindly go through it and complete your notebook, which should be up to the mark. With regard to the cross-curricular link, it is expected that the students connect few selected vocabulary and translate that into Arabic, so that you have a very balanced knowledge of the topic that is being covered in English, and try relating it to Arabic. And if you can make sentences in English as well as in Arabic, that will be an additional advantage. Coming to the CBSE learning objectives, we have to identify the main idea and details. Make sure that you are able to identify the main idea and details of all the topics that we cover during the week, and then appreciate the poem. The appreciation of the poem means that you are able to identify the poetic devices, literary devices, and you are able to critically analyze whether it is aptly used or not. This is appreciation of poem. You should be able to do it with great precision this particular week, because we are doing this particular learning objective since this is the fourth week. Then identify the poetic devices. Now it is expected that students should be able to identify the poetic devices on their own. Analyze the characters as you come across the characters, and list the characters. Keep recording their vocabularies. You can analyze the character with what does the character say, what does the character do, what does the character feel, what does the character think, what do others say about the character. Record the dialogue and analyze that. That is how you are going to analyze the character. Develop the character. That means you are going to enlist the character's qualities, and if you pick an adjective, one quality, you are going to find the actions and the expressions of the character in order to develop that particular quality. That is the meaning of develop the character. You are going to compare and contrast the characters. That means compare means to record the similarities. If you are mentioning one particular quality of a character and another character, then you are going to enlist the words and actions of both the characters, enlisting similarities. If you are going to contrast a character, then you are going to first mention the quality, and then you have to mention the actions of one person, the expressions of one person, and then contrast it with the actions of another person and the expression of that person. That is how you're going to bring about the differences. Develop the plot, selecting actions. This is when you are reading the particular reading short story or selection. You are going to identify the key rising actions, climax, and the falling action, resolution. Justify the perspective of the character. If you pick a particular reason, certain action has taken place and you are in favor of it, you need to justify the reasons why the characters have acted in particular manner, and if you are against it, you need to justify why are you against a particular action of the character. And then they justify the perspective of the writer. Usually the writer has projected a particular character in a certain manner. Justify why the writer has chosen to show us a particular character in that particular light. And then your own perspective. Your own perspective is I think, I feel, and I believe. This is the stronger one, where you have your extrapolatory writing. You are expected to give your personal opinion with regard to the characters, the theme, conflict, problem solutions, etc. Students who are new to my class are requested to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you receive the notification of the next video that I upload. And the students are also requested to hit like so that this video gets added up in their auto-generated like list, and you can refer it during the week as well as near test and examinations. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.